Hello to all top strategist followers. Today, we're about to unveil one of the most significant strategic developments of recent years, an issue that even military experts and geopolitical analysts didn't expect to become public so soon. We're talking about the military and technological relationship between Russia and Iran. What exactly has caused Moscow, with its vast military arsenal, to turn to Iranian technology, and in return, transfer technologies it hadn't even given to its old partners like China and India? Today, the details behind this cooperation will be revealed. Russia's need for Iranian drones. The why of a strategic partnership. The truth is, no one thought Iran, a country that has been under the toughest international sanctions for years, would reach a point where Russia needed its technology. But new documents released by Western and Ukrainian sources are revealing the truth. These documents show that in exchange for receiving Iranian drones, Russia has provided Tehran with highly advanced and sensitive technologies, from propulsion technology to ultra-secret communication systems that were previously used in Sukhoi fighters and other strategic Russian armaments. The root of this story goes back to 2022 and the early days of the war in Ukraine. The Russian army at that time clearly realized it was lagging behind NATO and even Ukraine in the field of combat and reconnaissance drones. Turkish Bayraktar drones and armed commercial drones had significantly increased Ukraine's tactical capabilities. Russia was quickly looking for an immediate solution, and that's where Iran came into play. Despite years of sanctions, Iran had managed to design drones with long range, low production cost, and very high destructive power. This cooperation was an exceptional opportunity for both countries, especially Iran. International source. Confirmation, undeniable evidence. The issue of Iran-Russia. Drone cooperation is not just a rumor. Several credible international sources have confirmed this. Royal United Services Institute, RUSI, in the UK. In November 2022, this institute published an analytical report titled Flight Details, Production Location and Iranian Engineers' Assistance in Russia for Shahed Production. Institute for the Study of War, ISW, in the US. This institute has provided several daily reports on the Russian army's use of Iranian drones and a strategic analysis of their deal with Russia. CNN in October 2022. Based on information from US intelligence sources, Iran dispatched technicians to Russia to assist in the assembly of Shahed drones. The Wall Street Journal in January 2023. This publication revealed that Iran and Russia were negotiating to establish a joint drone production factory on Russian soil. This evidence indicates that Russia was not merely a customer of Iranian drones. They were willing to transfer pure military technologies to Iran to maintain this strategic cooperation. But the question is, exactly what technologies were transferred, and why does the West consider this a global threat? As Iran's leader recently stated, any point in any territory from which aggression originates will be a target for our attack, and any other point where our enemy's interests lie will be targeted and struck. This statement highlights the importance of this technology transfer even more. Vital technologies transferred to Iran. Exactly what technologies has Russia transferred to Iran? And how is Iran using them in its drones and even its missiles? UAV propulsion systems, UAV engines. The first and perhaps most important transfer relates to small turbojet propulsion systems and piston engines for drones. Russian companies like ODK had years of experience producing engines for drones such as the Orlan 10 and 3 SV. According to a CNN report in October 2022, and indirect confirmation from the Ukrainian Military Center, some components of new Iranian drone engines, like those in the Shahed 136 and Mohair 6, are very similar to Russian models. Iran has likely utilized this technology in developing its export engines, such as the Mahdavi and Sarman engines. Communication and guidance systems, data link systems. Before 2019, Iranian drones had communication limitations. However, from 2022, we suddenly saw the emergence of a new generation of drones with secure, jamming-resistant, and encrypted data links. A RUSI report from the UK states that new versions of the Shahed 136 seen in Ukraine contained communication circuits and data link systems similar to those previously examined by them in Russian systems. This means that Russia either directly transferred communication coding and data transmission hardware to Iran, or Iran has reverse-engineered Russian systems. This sudden upgrade in Iranian drone communication systems after 2022 is highly significant.
Some of Iran's latest ballistic and cruise missiles, including the Parastu, Gasadak, and Khorramshahr-4, are now observed employing final guidance using active radars and electronic warfare-resistant sensors. It's worth noting that some of these names might be aliases or code names used by Western analysts. The ISW reports that certain Iranian equipment now incorporates noise immunity algorithms previously found exclusively in Russia's Orlan 10 drones. Furthermore, unofficial reports from Sky News Arabia have alleged that Iran has localized and Iranianized final homing algorithms with direct assistance from Moscow's military advisors. Inertial navigation systems and resilient GPS. Early Iranian drones were heavily reliant on commercial GPS. But now, we see drones operating effectively even in GPS-denied environments. The CSIS, Center for Strategic and International Studies, has reported that Iran has integrated combined GPS and inertial navigation systems, mirroring Russian counterparts, into newer versions of the Shahid and Samad drones. These systems, in addition to their resistance to GPS jamming, enable drones to maintain their target trajectory even in electronic blind conditions, that is, without external communication or navigation signals. Global repercussions. Why the West is concerned. Why does this development trigger such alarm in the West? Because these technologies aren't merely for battlefield engagements. If Iran can consistently deploy these systems across its drone and missile fleets, it gains the capability to target American bases in the region with extraordinary precision, even without the need for external navigation. These advancements, initially scaled for drones, could well be adapted for future use in Iran's indigenous fighter jets, such as the Kawsar. In essence, the very technologies Russia has shared, or that Iran has reverse-engineered, are now becoming the foundational core of Iran's next-generation weaponry. This signifies a fundamental shift in the regional power dynamic, one that the West must fully comprehend. Russia's strategic calculus, the underlying motives. But why did Russia make such a profound technological concession to Iran? Several strategic imperatives underpin this decision: maintaining and expanding regional influence. Under the crushing weight of sanctions and embroiled in the conflict with Ukraine, Russia is desperately striving to preserve and expand its regional influence and strategic fronts. Iran, as a strategic partner in the Middle East, and a shared adversary of the West and NATO, holds immense importance for Russia. By bolstering Iran, Russia aims to forge a powerful allied front in the region, to mitigate Western pressures. Countering Western sanctions and pressures, technological cooperation enables both nations to circumvent Western sanctions and jointly produce sensitive technologies domestically. This is a potent strategy for eroding the sanctions regime. Strengthening joint combat capability in Ukraine and the region. Iranian drones have served Russia's objectives in the Ukraine conflict. The technology transfer is partly a reward and a guarantee for the continuation of this vital cooperation with Iran. This collaboration, in practical terms, directly enhances the combat capabilities of both nations. Competition with China and India. Russia's provision of these technologies to Iran also serves to diversify and balance its collaborations with regional partners. The underlying goal is to establish Iran as a special partner, ensuring it relies less on China or India, and remains strategically dependent on Russia. The unfolding impact, a geopolitical tremor in some. Russia has furnished these technologies not merely for financial gain, but to forge a broad, enduring strategic alliance against global pressures. The transfer of advanced Russian technologies to Iran is far more than a simple technological exchange. It is an integral part of a complex geopolitical strategy. By equipping Iran with these critical capabilities, Russia has effectively cultivated a reliable regional partner, capable of diluting Western influence on multiple fronts, from the Middle East to Asia. This cooperation, beyond circumventing sanctions limitations, significantly elevates Iran's defensive and offensive capabilities. It not only bolsters Iran's national security, but also dramatically alters the balance of power in the region. Moreover, this Russian gambit sends an unmistakable message to its global rivals, including China and India. Tehran holds a unique and unparalleled position for Moscow, a position founded upon strategic trust and shared interests. Therefore, this technology transfer marks a pivotal turning point in the regional and global power structure, one that demands our closest analysis and continued observation. Thank you for tuning in to Top Strategist. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Farewell for now.